Are you frustrated with your fragrance fading too quickly? Make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more fabulous tips. Longer-lasting scents aren't just a dream anymore. Stick around to find out how. All right, let's dive in. First things first, placement is key. Apply your fragrance low on the body, like behind your knees, behind your neck, and ears. And don't forget, a spritz in your hair can make the magic last all day long. Now, if you really want to elevate your scent game, pairing is your best friend. Use a body gel, moisturizer, or powder from the same collection, or one that complements your fragrance. Fresh out of the shower? Perfect! Splash on some scent while your skin's still damp, it'll cling on better. And here's a little secret, lightly spritzing your clothes can do wonders for longevity too. But remember, just a light touch. We don't want to knock folks over. So there you have it, the secrets to keeping your scent as fresh as a peach all day long. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more fabulous tips. See y'all next time. Visit our website at southbeachperfumes.com.